how to work it. What the hell? They so mean. I'll be out of town, city to city, state to state. Oh yeah, Sook Mike comes to Texas. Yeah, that's gonna be good, man. Oh, did he get him? Oh, I was about to say, old truck got him, y'all. It's a good track. I don't know if they prep juice ain't the same. But what it is, it got that little, but it ain't got enough. I'm looking. Turn his ass up. Let me see what he got. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Mine will do that. Mine scratch. Mine be scratching. Mine will scratch. I'm gonna scratch on this motherfucker. I get him, man. That ain't. Nothing. I ain't worried about him. Uh-oh. See something. Whoa. Okay. I done brought something up there. Man, who next, y'all? That's what I need to figure out. Who next? They moving too slow. Who next? Who you about? Man, it's one.
That's his car, but that ain't Jerry.
That ain't Jerry. We got another car coming up, y'all. Little Trans Am. Shout out to Lowball Racing one time for the one time. Modern Speedworks and Grudge Time Tees. Yeah, it should be a full pass. They got somebody don't know what they doing in there. Uh-oh. It might not be a full pass. They push it down to the floor. Come on. More. Up. Yeah, up. Let's go. There we go. Okay, now come on with it. Okay, come on. Oh, I don't know who they done put in there, but they knew. Let's see what they gonna do. That's 60 foot. If they scared on the burnout, this 60 foot ought to shock the shit out of them. I don't even think they gonna push to the floor. Whoever that is, they ain't gonna go to the floor, y'all. If they do, ooh. floor so I can see me something. I want to see her handle that thing. Got a first time driver in the building. She got them hot enough. It's good. Uh-oh, track counter. Might have went up to a 4 or 5. And I already messed up. Put it back in drive. Okay. Come on. That kind of no full fast. I want to see if she gonna 60 foot though. Okay, she's stalling up good. Come on with it. Oh, she ain't gonna. Ooh. We learning. Ain't nothing wrong. Everybody gotta learn one time for the one time. She need me to teach her. Let me teach her, I'll tell her. What is? Oh, well that ain't gonna hurt. Now y'all want me? You want me to run and get that plate? It's a plate right here. Let me get that plate, y'all. Get that up off of there. Push that brake. Let's see. Come on, baby.